You can clone your voice with AI for free.
Here's my own voice clone that I just easily created.
And that cloning process is so easy that even beginners can do it in less than 1 minute.
So in this video, you're going to learn what AI to use to clone your voice for free, the simple step-by-step voice cloning process, and how to quickly add your cloned voice to any video that you want.
So what AI tool should we use for voice cloning? Well, the problem most available voice cloning tools have are they can be expensive, difficult to use, slow, and just don't give good results. So I've decided to cover one specific tool in this video that's free to get started with, easy to use, gives you your clone voice in less than a minute, and sounds great. You can even add your cloned voice to videos and then even generate subtitles for those videos too in this single piece of software. That AI software is called Wondershare Filmora. There's a link for you to get started with Filmora for free in the description to this video, but only click that link after you watch this tutorial so that you know how to use it. So how do you clone your voice in Filmora? Here's what you'll see when you're inside Wondershare Filmora. There's a ton of features that you can get lost exploring if you don't know exactly how to clone your voice, which I'll show you how to do now. So here's a project I'm in with the video I want my AI voice added to down here in the timeline. And what you need to do next is click titles up the top here because we need to type in what we want our AI voice to say, as this is a text-to-speech process. So just pick this choice here, basic one, as your text template you want to add and drag it down onto your timeline here. And next, just type in the words that you want your AI voice to say over here in this box on the right-hand side. Right, and this is the important part. With that text layer still selected, we're going to click over here on text to speech, and you'll see this screen. This is the area we're going to create our AI voice. So first we need to choose our language. So I chose UK as I'm in England. Then press this button here, clone voice. You'll then see this permission screen that you need to record yourself reading through, basically telling Wondershare Filmora that you give them permission for your voice to be cloned. So just press record, read through this script, and then press stop once you've read through it. Great. Now, once that's done, you'll get shown this screen, and this is the actual part of the process that the AI uses to create your voice clone. So type the name of the voice clone that you want up here. You see I've chosen Greg AI voice clone, and then carefully and in your own voice, read through this script that you see below here. You have between 20 seconds and 1 minute to read this paragraph out. So no rush, speak nice and clearly and in your own voice. And once that's done, you'll have the option to listen back to this to see if you're happy with it. If you're not, just re-record that paragraph again. And if you are happy, just press this button down here to generate your voice. You'll see it says try free, as you actually get one free voice clone with Filmora. So this is a completely free process. Press that button and your voice clone will start generating. And shortly after, you'll be taken back to this screen. You'll see that your voice clone is showing here, and you can press this little play button to get a preview.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
After I had pressed that try free button, it literally took less than 60 seconds to create my cloned voice. I can't believe how quick this process is. But once you have your cloned voice, how do you actually add it to your videos? So to get our new voice clone here to say what we typed out on top of our video, with that text box still selected, we just have to head over here and press this try free button, and the AI will generate that speech for us using text to speech AI. And pretty much straight away, you'll see that our AI voice clone has been added down here saying what we typed. I'll just press play so you can hear that.
If you're a beginner wanting to quickly clone your voice with AI, I recommend trying Wondershare Filmora.
Literally mind-blowingly simple. And then for the next thing we want the voice to say, we can just move the text box to the next moment. Type in the next part of the speech that we want by pressing titles again over here and changing the previous text to the new text. Heading over to text to speech again, and pressing generate again. And we can literally copy that stage of the process over and over again to keep having new speech added on top of our video. I can't believe how easy this is. We can even easily add some really nice looking subtitles to this video based on what this AI voice clone is saying. So what we do is we just select our AI voice clips here. Then we're going to head over to Tools, Audio, and Speech to Text. This is going to use a different speech to text AI. We're going to tell Filmora that we want to use the clips we selected and we want titles generated from those clips. Then press OK. Filmora is going to use its speech to text technology to analyze what is being said in those voice files, transcribe it into text, and add those as subtitles onto our original video. And once that's done, as you can see, those have been added on this layer of the timeline here. I'll just scroll through so you can see those changing. We can change how they look by pressing titles and choosing a font and a style that we like. So we'll go with this style here. I've made the font a bit bigger. And we can also change the animations on these captions by pressing zoom in, for example. So really easy to add subtitles and make them look exactly how we want with the speech to text. And finally, we can even tweak how our AI voice sounds. Listen to this. This is the original.
If you're a beginner wanting to quickly clone your voice with AI, I recommend trying Wondershare.
But by clicking that voice file, heading over here to voice change in top right, I've got a ton of alterations I can make to that voice. So let's make it so that I sound like I'm in a big room.
If you're a beginner wanting to quickly clone your voice with AI,
or how about if we click into voice characters and I want to make myself sound like a robot? Let's hear what that sounds like.
If you're a beginner wanting to quickly clone your voice with AI, I recommend trying Wondershare Filmora. You're able to create 2 AI voice clones completely for free, so there's no risk. And as it's a software with editing features, you can easily add your cloned voice file straight onto your video.
There you have it. There's everything a beginner needs to know about a great free option for cloning your voice with AI. You can try Wondershare Filmora out for free by clicking the link in the description to this video. As I said earlier, make sure to watch this playlist next if you're interested in using AI to make videos faster and get more views and be more consistent with content creation. There's tons of videos in that playlist there from me. And also, as you'll hear, give the channel a subscribe to for more videos like this. Peace out.